People often talk about manifestation like it's a genie in a bottle. Rub it, make a wish, and poof, your dream house, dream job, dream life appears. I wish it were that easy. But here's the truth: manifestation isn't magic. I'll tell you what it is. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, what is manifestation? Manifestation is just simply alignment. And yes, when I say alignment, I mean everything: your thoughts, your actions, your time, your energy, and most importantly, your purpose. Think of it like tuning an instrument. If even one string is off, the music sounds wrong. Similarly, if your intention is pure, but your actions are lazy, or your energy is negative and your words are positive, the manifestation just wouldn't happen. There was a time in my career when I kept visualizing that I'm going to be this artist and I'm going to do lots of paintings and I'm going to use them in my projects, my interior projects. I had a vision, I had the passion, but I wasn't aligning my time or my resources. I was too scattered. And then I realized manifestation doesn't come from dreaming, it comes from doing daily. The moment I aligned my thoughts, actions, and focus, things started shifting almost magically. But it wasn't magic, it was me in flow. Let me share 3 alignment principles that will help you. 1. Align your time. If your dream matters, your calendar should reflect it. Prioritize what pushes you closer to your goal. 2. Align your energy. If you're complaining, comparing, or doubting, that's misaligned energy. Instead, fuel yourself with gratitude, clarity, and belief. And 3, align your purpose. Ask yourself every morning, is what I'm doing today aligned with what I truly want? If not, pause, recenter, and realign. So the next time someone tells you to manifest something, remember, it's not about wishing, it's about working in alignment. Because when your thought, time, action, energy, and purpose align, the universe doesn't need magic. It simply flows through you. So go out there, align, act, and manifest your best life. I believe in you. Love you. Till next time, keep smiling.